I first met with Amy back in February of 2015. I had been wanting to do a figure competition for a few years, and it's something that I had looked into and met with a few different coaches. I didn't really find anyone I was completely comfortable with. The diet made me nervous. I saw some extremes that competitors went to get super lean, and I wasn't comfortable with compromising my health. When I met with Amy, everything changed. She went over the diet in detail with me because I let her know that that was my main concern, and it was completely doable. It was something I was very comfortable with. So from that point on, I was really reassured that I was with the right coach. I really had a positive experience being on APF Elite. It was bonding to be with so many women, and I really enjoyed having a woman for a coach. I felt like she understood everything that I was going through, and the fact that Amy competes herself really helped. I could talk to her about any concerns, and she knew firsthand what was going on. So that was a really reassuring thing for me. I had a blast. I can't wait to do it again. I made friends. I had a super positive experience. All the women I met were really encouraging and just push you to go further than you think you could. And so it was really nice to have a team where you could turn to other people and express your concerns, and they understood. And